Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of Australian Outdoor Man. Today we're just going to do a quick review and a cook up with these thermal cookers. They are absolutely brilliant. These great for camping. So the idea of these, you pretty much heat your food up for about 15-20 minutes, put into one of these, they go into an insulated bag. You come back at the end of the day and your dinner's all cooked, ready for you to go. So I'll do a quick one for you guys. We've had this for a few years now. I'll do a stew, just a quick stew in here. Beautiful. What I like to do is my rice as well. So I usually just do about 3 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, which is nice and handy. So what you can do with these as well is the silver sides are bloody beautiful. Love my silver sides in these. I like just to get pretty much the pan nice and hot. Drizzle a bit of extra virgin olive oil in there. Onions straight in. And then you can, I've just got some beef here. It's about 500 grams of beef. The idea is just to brown your meat and the onions, just so they start breaking down. We do a goulash, which is absolutely beautiful, the goulash. And cakes, a lot of cakes in there, so you can do your banana bread. So the initial heat into whatever you're cooking is most important thing. So I do pretty much all my ingredients, get my rice to a boil up here, pack it into here, into the bag, go out for the day and come home. So I've just got some smoked salt. This stuff is beautiful. If you guys need a good salt to put onto your roast beef, this is the stuff right here. That is absolutely brilliant, the Mold-On smoked salt. We usually take these when we go away as well. They're just little satchels of the Legos tomato paste, so they're nice and handy. Bang one of them in with your onions and your beef. Oh, that smells good. It smells really good. Rice is on the boil. Once you get, like I said, the initial heat into everything, away you go. I'll bang some corn into here, juice and all. Put some peas in there. Well, I've got some potatoes. Bang some potatoes. Just got this, just a lamb casserole. So I've just got that powder, which I like to use that, or the goulash, doesn't matter. A pack of that, you can use beef stock, chicken stock. And I usually just do a cup and a quarter straight into there. So the thing is, with these, when you go camping and travelling, once they've sort of cooked for 6, 4, 8 hours, whatever you sort of feel like, doesn't really matter. Once it's cooked, you've got that little 12-volt adapter you can plug in and then keep that extra warm, sort of keep that a nice temperature. But I find just doing this right now is enough for a good feed when we get back to our campsites. So that's how simple it is, guys. All the food's in there. Once it's browned up, like I said, you usually go for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Pour that into there. Lid on. That's it, she's locked. That now goes straight into its bag. We go out for the day and we're all good. If you guys do have any questions, chuck in the comments and I'll get back to you straight away. We'll leave that for about 6 hours. We'll go do some work out the back. We'll come back and see how it looks. Alright, cheers guys. Oh, I've got to clean this up now. Where do I start? Oh, one of these first. Ah, it's better. Alrighty. Alrighty, we're back. Let's see how this goes. So we've been about 5 hours actually. All up. We'll see how we're looking. It feels alright. It's steaming. We've got some steam going. There's the rice. Oh, that's brilliant. I'll show you the rice. That's hot. There's the stew. Yeah, very, very good. I don't know if you can see that very well. So I said, that's been about 5 hours now. Don't feel like cleaning that up either. So like I said, best thing you can do with these is get that initial heat up. Like I said, that's 5 hours. I've had them there for 8 hours, haven't even had to plug them in. With the rice looks pretty good too. So let's do a little bit of rice in there. Oh, if you guys could smell this, you'd love it. Bloody smells brilliant. Great winter food, this stuff. Curries are good too, to make some curries in there. Try and still a bit of juice. We'll just have a look, see if this meat's tender. It's very hot. Let's have a look, see if you guys, that's just falling apart like fish. Oh, so hot. It's brilliant. What I like to do, a bit of fresh bread, nice soft bread rolls, chop them up, a little bit of butter on there, and pretty much away you go. It's really good, really good. These cost about $100, anywhere from 50 to 100. Look online, there's plenty of different brands and different options. A good little hint with these as well, guys. Check the bottom of your pan, your main cooking pan. Make sure that's solid. You want to make sure that that's really solid. The thicker that is down the bottom, it retains the heat more. We had one years ago. It was a cheap one, and yeah, after about 3 hours, if it wasn't cooked, that's what you ate. But yeah, like I said, that is brilliant. That rice is done perfect. Like I said, that meat is just falling apart in your hand. Right, we're going to get stuck into it and have some dinner. Any questions, chuck in the comments. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers.